Hey guys, so the next step after I have got a list of keywords, so the list of keywords I found through Google Keyword Planner, and I picked the ones that had the most monthly volume, the biggest monthly volume, and obviously those um, that weren't too competitive. Obviously, it's quite a competitive niche. And now I'm going through them and check them with other keyword tools such as Google Trends, Uber Suggest, which I really like, and SEMrush. And what I'm doing, I'm double checking the monthly volumes, and if there's less than, I would say, less than 200 or 300 monthly searches per month, I do sort of separate them. So the ones performing the worst are sort of in italics. The rest can be used within the article. I haven't really checked those. I'm just checking the ones that I will choose for the title because I still haven't got a title for the article. I've got like temporary title at the moment, so I'll need to check. I'll need to pick the main keyword for the title, and obviously the main keyword I want to rank for. So these are the best candidates. They are in bold because they've got quite a lot of volume, and I am checking it now on Google Trends, which I really like, so I can see if the trend is rising or not, if there are regular monthly searches, which is great. And I think I do have a bit few favorites that I want to focus on, that and then I will sift through them and pick the one for the title. So this is the next stage of the keyword research. Obviously, I think I will spend the rest of the day just doing a keyword research until I find the one keyword that I want to go for, and obviously then start working on the article title.